In the modern era of compact city living, apartment kitchens often serve multiple roles: a cooking zone, dining area, and sometimes even a workspace. With limited square footage, transforming this small yet vital space into an efficient, elegant minimalist kitchen requires smart planning and creative thinking. A minimalist kitchen makeover doesn't mean stripping away comfort or personality. Rather, it's about refining design choices to create harmony, functionality, and timeless style. Below are key tips and tricks to help you achieve a seamless minimalist transformation that enhances both form and function. 1. Declutter first. The core of minimalist transformation. Every successful minimalist transformation begins with decluttering. Before making any design decisions, take time to evaluate what you truly need in your kitchen. Remove duplicate utensils, outdated appliances, and rarely used gadgets. The goal is to retain only what adds value to your daily life. Use drawer organizers and cabinet dividers to neatly store essentials. Consider open shelving for items that serve both practical and decorative purposes, such as sleek dinnerware or ceramic jars. By minimizing clutter, you create breathing space and allow the kitchen's clean lines and structure to shine. Remember, minimalism is as much about what you remove as what you include. 2. Optimize the layout for maximum efficiency. A small apartment kitchen benefits greatly from a carefully considered layout. Whether your kitchen follows a galley, L shape, or a single-wall design, ensure that the kitchenwork triangle, the sink, stove, and refrigerator remains efficient and unobstructed. Compact layouts can be optimized by installing pull-out countertops or folding breakfast bars. These provide additional workspace when needed and can be tucked away afterward. If possible, choose built-in or under-counter appliances to maintain smooth lines and save floor space. For those remodeling, prioritize vertical space utilization. High cabinets, floating shelves, and magnetic wall racks can make use of unused areas while keeping the counters clean and open. 3. Choose a neutral and cohesive color palette. The color palette plays a vital role in defining a minimalist kitchen's aesthetic. Opt for soft, neutral tones like white, beige, light gray, or warm taupe. These shades reflect natural light, making the room appear larger and airier. To prevent the space from feeling too sterile, layer subtle contrasts through different textures. Matte cabinets paired with glossy backsplash tiles, or wooden accents complementing a white quartz countertop. Natural textures and muted tones blend seamlessly in minimalist design, helping to create a balanced and soothing atmosphere. For a modern touch, incorporate a single bold accent, perhaps black fixtures, a brass faucet, or a dark stone countertop, to add depth without overwhelming the simplicity of the space. 4. Invest in space-saving modern cabinets. Cabinetry forms the foundation of a minimalist kitchen transformation. Choose handleless cabinets for a smooth, uninterrupted look. Flat panel or slab-style doors reinforce clean geometry, while push-to-open mechanisms eliminate visual clutter. Opt for cabinetry that utilizes every inch of available space. Consider corner drawers, vertical pull-out racks, or under-sink organizers. Upper cabinets that extend to the ceiling not only provide additional storage, but also give the illusion of height. If your apartment kitchen allows, integrate multifunctional kitchen islands with built-in storage or seating. This creates a centerpiece that's both beautiful and practical, perfect for small space living. 5. Integrate smart lighting for function and ambience. Lighting has the power to completely transform the feel of a minimalist kitchen. In small apartments, where natural light may be limited, layered lighting design ensures functionality without sacrificing atmosphere. Start with bright overhead lighting. Recessed LED fixtures work beautifully in minimalist spaces. Add under-cabinet task lighting to illuminate counters for food prep, and consider pendant lights above the island or dining area for a soft, ambient glow. Choose lighting fixtures that echo minimalist aesthetics. Simple forms, metallic finishes, or natural materials like wood or linen. The key is subtle elegance that enhances the room's modern simplicity. 6. Add warmth with natural materials. Minimalism doesn't have to feel cold or sterile. A balance of clean lines and organic textures adds warmth and depth to your kitchen design. Incorporate natural elements such as wood countertops, bamboo shelving, or woven baskets. Stone backsplashes or terrazzo surfaces can add gentle visual interest without overpowering the minimalist essence. Potted herbs or small indoor plants also bring life and freshness into the kitchen. This mix of modern materials with organic accents is particularly effective in apartment settings where you want to create a space that feels inviting despite its compact size. 7. Embrace smart storage and hidden solutions. One of the greatest tricks for transforming a small apartment kitchen is integrating hidden storage. Pull-out pantries, drawer dividers, and built-in spice racks allow you to store essentials neatly out of sight. You can even design toe-kick drawers beneath lower cabinets to store flat items like baking trays or linens. Consider furniture with dual functions, for example, a bench with hidden storage or a foldable dining table that can double as a prep station. These clever storage solutions uphold the minimalist principle of less is more while maintaining practical usability in a small space. 8. Keep decor simple but thoughtful. Minimalist design values intentionality. Select just a few decorative pieces that reflect your personality, perhaps a single framed artwork, a sculptural vase, or a stylish cutting board set. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many details. Instead, use texture and material contrast to bring visual interest. A linen curtain, a matte ceramic plate collection, or a textured rug can add a sense of softness to the clean lines of your kitchen. Every item should have a purpose, functional, aesthetic, or ideally both. This approach ensures your kitchen remains uncluttered and harmonious. Conclusion: transform simplicity into everyday luxury. Transforming an apartment kitchen into a minimalist haven doesn't require grand budgets or large square footage, only thoughtful design and intentional choices. By decluttering, optimizing layouts, and combining efficient storage with modern aesthetics, you can craft a space that feels open, functional, and serene. A minimalist kitchen transformation is ultimately about balance, where every surface, color, and texture plays a role in creating a peaceful and practical environment. With these smart tips and tricks, your small apartment kitchen can evolve into a refined space that celebrates simplicity, beauty, and everyday comfort.